Hi there, we are about to start the presentation. If we go too fast, don't worry. You can use the pause button to stop the video, or you can watch it again as many times as you want.
Hello, and welcome to Clever Fox Learning's Grammar Focus. Today's grammar focus is the present simple. The present simple is used for talking about things that are generally true or happen regularly. Let's look at some examples. Irish people like sports. This is generally true. He works the night shift. This is a regular action. We use the normal form of the verb for I, you, we and they, but for he, she and it, we add an S. For some verbs like finish or watch, we need to add ES. And for others like study and apply, which end in Y, you need to change the Y to an I and add ES. Note on pronunciation. The ES ending is pronounced is, like watches, finishes. Note to remember, some common verbs are irregular in the third person. Some of these verbs are have, go, and do. I have, she has. I go, he goes. I do, he does. Note the Z pronunciation for the S. Has, goes, does. To make the negative, we use the auxiliary verb do with not, as in do not and does not. But normally we use the contracted form don't and doesn't. Note, when we use the auxiliary, we add the S to the auxiliary in the third person, not to the main verb. Review. The present simple is used for talking about things that are generally true and things that happen regularly. Some very common verbs are irregular in the third person, such as have, go, and do. When making negatives, we use the auxiliary verb do, and normally in the contracted form, don't and doesn't. That is the end of this week's Grammar Focus. Thanks for watching and see you soon!